Yo, thank you guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is another wonderful lesson and I will be teaching you how to play Twende Nyumbani mwa Bwana. Oh yeah, Twende Nyumbani mwa Bwana. Oh yeah, tuimbe tushangilie. So I hope you know the song, so I'll be teaching you how to play it in the simplest way. Make sure you subscribe, like and comment and share this video ideally. Let me play it a little bit and then we continue. Wow. I'm using a bit of ragaton. It's number 121 on piano 463. Alright, and I'm using a tempo of 111, and also the voice I'm using reed organ combined with chapel organ, guys. So without wasting our time, let's get started. So the first thing, I'm starting with a melody like this. Is that like that? And then oh yeah, like that. Can you play that part? Like that. I'm starting from this and I'm playing on the key of G, but I have transposed to -4. All right, so I'm on the key of D sharp. Let's continue. And then the next. Again that part. How do you can play? Let me just play the easiest way. Let's continue. Now when you play with the tempo, that tempo, hope now you understand that part. Right? That is the first part. Very simple. And then can play like that, huh? All right. There. Then the next part. So how am I play? Right? And then this 3, and then this 3, you go back here, you start this 3 to A, B, and then and I hope you understand. Let me repeat from the start. Like that. Yeah. And then repeat. Let me play that the last part slowly. Like that. Right? We'll play those 3. And then and then the last, and then you go back to this 3. You can play oh yeah or you can divide it. Let me play now from the start. Now with the beat. Right. Now when I play, now guys, I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Kindly make sure you subscribe, like and comment. Let's meet on the part 2 of this song, which I'll be showing you how to play with the right combined with the left hand. Thank you guys, and God bless you.